Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to import videos into Descript. So in Descript, you are having two options to upload your videos. So the first option is right here on the home page. You will see over here, it says upload a file or describe what you want to make. Now go ahead, click on upload video, audio, image, or PDF file. We've now uploaded a file. Go ahead and click on get started. This will allow you to open a project with this video file over here. All right, you can add in some instructions as well as an option. The second way is going up to the right hand side, clicking on new project. Go and click on video project. It'll take you over to a project page. Here you can change the view as well, but now we want to simply click on upload file. Again, we've got our file uploaded here. We can see it on the timeline over here, and we can now continue to edit this video file or upload additional files into this project.